Yesterday morning, I was having a chat with Hansi about maybe a new system for giving the wine away next year, because years ago we did it with the K6 or the LS4 or the Discus, and now we have beautiful gliders. ASG 29, Spenders 2C, XNT, L, whatever. Next year we have even better planes. So I thought it's sometimes when I give away the wine to the pilots for 1,000 kilometers, doing it in Spenders 2C, X a lot. And then there is on the list, there is a glider pilot who is flying 968 kilometers in the Dual Discus, and I thought, maybe that's not fair. So maybe I will change the system next year. They say, okay, the 900 points mark is the mark for a bottle of wine. Maybe it's 905. But I think that's fair. But yesterday that was not necessary. Because this time it was a Dual Discus who flew the only 1,000 on the day, on which I didn't really expect. I was hoping that the drop line would work out. That's a different story. But again, it was only the Dual Discus who did 1,000 kilometers. Ranjo Lumik. Congratulations to Ranjo. Well done.
Thank you.